Crystal, Z100.
New York's #1 hit music station.
Snap, crackle, pop. It's a 5 o'clock whistle. Z100, New York's #1 hit music station. We can't forget the big D. Yay. DJ Dramos. Hey, Dramos. Yes, they are back after a hiatus because of Easter weekend. We were using the potatoes last Friday, but we're doing the real boiled eggs. Okay, I'm sorry, PETA. I had to do it. I missed them. We're bringing them back. Got one for you, Maxwell. Got one for you, Dramos. Got 2 for me because I will swallow these things whole. But yeah, we got what's coming up in New York City this afternoon. We also have tickets for you to see 5 Swass. So keep it locked right here. What you doing? Where you at? If you want to shout out, give us a call, 800-242-0100. You can text us as well to 55100. We're Z100, New York's #1 hit music station. One more time, DJ Dramos, world famous 5 o'clock whistle. Oh.
Calm down, calm down.